Hi, it's me again with CorelDRAW Tips and Tricks, and this video today is about blending twice. So I've drawn some 1/2 inch or 1/4 inch circles and I blended them. And matter of fact, we're going to just kind of start over. I'm going to ungroup these. And so I drew a 1/2 or 1/4 inch circle. Let's just delete all these other ones. So I've got a 1/4 inch circle. I'm going to draw a 1.5 inch circle, and then let's zoom in here a little bit, and now I'm going to make a copy, Control D, and I'm going to select both these 1/4 inch circles. I'm going to go up to Effects, Blend. I'm going to blend them 10 times, Apply, go down here to Blend to New Path, click on your path, go up to blend along full path, put apply. So now we have 10 circles, or maybe 12 because I started off with 2, so there's 12 circles. Go up to Object, Break Blend Apart, and take away your line. Go up here and select them all and Control G to group them together. Control D to make a duplicate. Now let's go and make a 3 inch circle. Whoop. Well, let's make it a 12 inch circle. I've got my ratio locked so they both become the same size. Makes a perfect circle. Let's select these two and let's hit 10 again. Put apply, go down to new path, blend a new path, blend along full path, apply, click on it or select it all, go up to Object. I must not have grabbed it all. Go up to Object, Break Blend Apart, and take away your line. And now you have 12 circles around a circle with 12 cuts. And it doesn't have to be cut. You could fill them in with black and take away the hairline, and that would be engraved. 12 dots around 12 dots. So you could keep going forever and ever. You could keep blending that some more. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.